Hi, I'm Charlotte. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video, I want to talk about CBD helping ailments other than tremors. I know I spend a lot of time talking about tremors, but it is important to know that CBD helps so many other things across the board in the human body. So something as simple as sleep issues, CBD can eliminate a lot of sleep issues, whether it's having a hard time falling asleep, staying asleep, waking up multiple times during the night, only getting a few hours. CBD has been shown to improve sleep overall. It's also been improved to help with having less anxiety, which oftentimes will help you sleep better. It also helps with depression. A lot of times people who have depression will oversleep, and CBD can help correct that, allowing you to get on a better sleep pattern and eliminate some of the depression in general. CBD has also been seen to help decrease diabetes and help eliminate some of the weight issues and obesity. So it's not just for actual pain or actual, mental illness or physical illness. It also going to help actual dietary issues inside of our bodies. We have receptors in our brains that know exactly what CBD is. So that's what allows it to form and go through your body and see exactly where it needs to be. When CBD first came on the scene, and across the board in the news and tabloids and the media, it was known widely for Charlotte's Web, which is a strain of marijuana, and it is high CBD, low THC. THC being the cannabinoid in marijuana and hemp that is psychoactive, so it gets you high. But Charlotte's Web was a very different strain when it came out. It was very high in CBD, which is the medical side, and the benefits versus the THC that gets you high. So, and this was used for seizures, and a lot of people thought that CBD was strictly for seizures, and as well, yes, it absolutely does help with seizures, but that is not the only thing it can do. We've talked about multiple different things that it can do with tremors, but it also helps with anxiety and depression and PTSD. We have an unfortunately extremely high rate of suicide in our country from PTSD. 22 a day is our national average of soldiers in the U.S. that we lose to PTSD, and CBD can actually correct PTSD. It can eliminate triggers, it can stop night terrors, it can stop anxiety, depression, it helps with triggers during the day. So all these things are what end up causing the suicide, and if we could lower that number at all, that would be amazing just by taking CBD. CBD also works with degenerative diseases, so diseases that are affecting the brain and breaking down the body. Like a great example is MS. MS is an example of a degenerative disease that's going to break down the actual body from inside out, and CBD can stop a lot of that and repair a lot of the nerve damage. Parkinson's, tremors, fibromyalgia, all things that are affected in the brain that CBD can help go in, repair, and change and fix. Also things like Alzheimer's and dementia. There has been a number of studies in the world that have shown that taking CBD over time with Alzheimer's and dementia not only repairs the nerve damage, but also unblocks receptors that allows them to begin firing again, allowing memory to come back and hold memories again, which is huge because Alzheimer's and dementia, ultimately people end up losing their entire person and even forget how to breathe, and normal things become extremely difficult, which is why people pass away from Alzheimer's dementia, because the body just stops knowing how to function. CBD can reverse a lot of that, giving people their lives back and ultimately having a longer, healthier life. Traumatic brain injuries are also things that CBD can help, because it's going to go in and repair some of that nerve damage and the receptors in the brain. And, instead of just masking it with a pharmaceutical drug, it actually goes in and repairs it. This is what gives it the ability to actually fix people and heal people. So CBD has so many different abilities to help people across the board, whether it be a physical injury, a bruise, a muscle spasm, muscle pain. It can be applied in a topical or taken in an oil or a vape and work physically on the body. It can work in the mind as far as schizophrenia, depression, anxiety, bipolar. So many different mental illnesses can be treated using CBD rather than a pharmaceutical drug. Then, like I said, the degenerative diseases where people are, losing their ability to be mobile, losing their ability to feed themselves, be able to sign their name, hold their phone, normal daily activities that are being affected by these tremors, by these diseases that are just breaking down the body. CBD can go in and actually repair all of these different things and give people their lives back. So CBD can help much more than just tremors, much more than just seizures. CBD can actually change your life and give you your life back. So if you are looking for more information, there's links below. Please like and subscribe to the channel and you will get information about upcoming videos. And thank you so much for stopping by.